In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit couple photo in the Google Gemini Windows app. We'll walk through a simple, reliable workflow that starts with your own image and uses a clear prompt to guide the edit, so you get a natural-looking result without any guesswork. With the app open, look for the plus sign. This is your upload button. Click it to bring in the couple photo you want to edit. You can choose a picture from your computer, and most common image formats will work fine. Pick a photo where faces are visible and lighting is decent. Clear source images help the app understand context and maintain details. If you have several versions, the one with the cleanest background and the sharpest focus usually edits best. Once the photo appears in the chat area, it's time to give Gemini a precise instruction. In the message box, type a prompt that clearly describes what you want the final scene to look like. For example, you can write, "Create a couple photo holding hands while walking at sunset." This tells the app your goal, the relationship between the subjects, and the setting. Specificity matters here. If you care about mood, colors, or atmosphere, include those words in your prompt. Phrases like warm golden light, soft shadows, or gentle sunset glow help the model understand style without overcomplicating the request. Keep it natural and direct. After you've written your prompt, press Enter to submit it. That sends your instruction, along with the uploaded photo, to Gemini so it can begin the edit. You'll usually see a brief processing indicator. Avoid pressing Enter multiple times or changing prompts mid-process. Giving the app a single, clear direction helps it finish faster and with fewer artifacts. This may take a while, especially if your image is large or your computer is running other tasks. That's normal. Behind the scenes, the app is interpreting your prompt, mapping it to the photo, and rendering the new scene, while preserving important details like posture and overall composition. When the result appears, take a moment to scan the lighting, the background, and the way the couple is positioned. If the sunset looks too intense or the colors aren't quite right, refine your wording and try again. Small adjustments like soft pastel sunset or a slightly brighter sky can nudge the output in the right direction without starting over. And that's it. You've uploaded your photo, given a clear prompt, pressed Enter, and waited for the render. With a bit of prompt polish, you'll quickly dial in a beautiful sunset walk for your couple photo.